Hello, everybody. Where do you write down your personal thoughts or feelings or the experiences you go through on a daily basis? Yes, you can definitely write down or jot down your thoughts, whatever you feel, or all the significant things that happen throughout the day uh, in your diary. So, yes, we all have these beautiful diaries in our homes, or yes, you might definitely purchase a diary and write and start writing. So, once you start writing, you feel confident and you feel that there is a friend in a diary, and you can share many those thoughts and feelings which you cannot share with which you otherwise cannot share with your friends or your family members or relatives. You can definitely write them down in your diary, because the diary is never going to judge you. So, and then you can take this form of writing to the next level. That means yes, to enhance your writing skills in English. So guess it right. As you've guessed it already from the thumbnail, today's video is based on how to write a diary. Hello, everybody. I welcome each one of you back to my channel, that is English with Soumyanjana Ma'am. And in today's video, we are going to learn the basic tricks how to write or how to make an entry in a diary. So I've already mentioned it earlier. If you write in your diary on a daily basis, you can definitely take your writing skill, your style to the next level, for sure. So, as an example, I have chosen for you all this piece from Anne Frank's diaries. We've all heard of this brilliant book, Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl. And we know that Anne Frank was born in Frankfurt, and then how she and her family, well, they were forced to flee, they were forced to escape from Germany due to the impact of the great dictator Hitler's anti-Jewish laws. So we all know how many thousands of people were forced to flee Germany. So in her diary, she records the daily experiences of her life, and this book, her diary, later on proved to be a great journal. It proved to be yes, it proved to be very, very significant for critics, for historians, for people who wanted to know about that time in Germany. So, yes, the slide follows, and in that slide, you're going to get one small example how Anne Frank describes, her birthday morning. So Anne Frank writes, on Friday, June 12th, I woke up at 6 o'clock, and no wonder, it was my birthday. But of course, I was not allowed to get up at that hour, so I had to control my curiosity until 6:15. Then I could bear it no longer and went to the dining room, where I received a warm welcome from Mudja, the cat. So this is how she begins her writing. The writing is in the first person, casual in tone, as if the diary is her friend. So she's treating the diary as an individual. So the style is that. Yes, it is quite conversational. The way she's writing, it's as if she's describing the events to the diary, her close friend and her confidant. Well, the diary is never going to judge you. So we'll take a quick look at the rules how to write a diary. Take a look. After taking a look at the basic rules of writing a diary, now you all will get a sample which I have written for you all. So the sample is based on an entry into a diary, and taking a look at that, I'm sure you all are going to write diaries. You're going to write or record your thoughts and feelings in your diary. So stay tuned, and I'll be coming back soon with another writing skill topic.